This is a CRB. Did you know that you're supposed to clean your carpets every 6 months? Most people clean their carpets like after 4 to 7 years, and that's not good. Most carpet is 5th generation nylon. The two carpets that give us the most problems. The two carpets that give us the most problem is polyester and olefin. The carpets that give us the most problem is polyester and olefin. We're at an olefin job right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Now this is a polyester olefin yarn. Look at this. It's a petroleum-based yarn that has an affinity for oils, food oils, cooking oils, asphalt oils from parking lots, motor oils, you name it oils. It's an oil magnet. The only way to remove oils from an olefin oil-based yarn or a polyester recycled pop is with mechanical agitation and the use of another solvent. It takes an oil to break down an oil, so when the carpet looks like this, in most cases, if it gets too ugly, it's too late. If your carpet already looks ugly, it's most likely too late. Unless we do the CRB, counter rotating brush, to restore the face fiber of your carpet. Now these face yarns are all smashed, abraded, they're unwound, and the twist retention is lost. But look at this. Look at that. When we agitate with orange, in most cases the carpet ends up looking really good. Look at that. You be the judge. There's before and there's after. You cannot get these results with a steam cleaning unit, okay? You cannot, I repeat, you cannot get these results with, let me repeat that. You cannot obtain these results with just steam cleaning. You need mechanical agitation.
This is why you need this. Driveway on the carpet. See how the yarns are all smashed and matted? All the dark areas and more dark spots. And remember how this carpet looks, all mushed? And then, watch this. It should be replaced, but watch after I CRB it. See the difference?